What's up guys, in this short tutorial I will show you how to speed up or slow down your audio file using Adobe Audition. This should be quite an easy tutorial, everything you need will be listed in the description below. In your multi-track, make sure to enable your audio to be time stretched by clicking on this stopwatch icon. After toggling global clip stretching, it will allow you to speed up or slow down your audio. Make sure to select your audio clip. Click and hold this white triangle on the right side of your audio and stretch it to the left or right to speed it up or slow it down. On the left side on your Properties panel, you can also expand this stretch menu. Set the mode to real time, type to monophonic, and then you can set the stretch to a value you prefer. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.